Let's start off now by covering some definitions that I will be using throughout this course. First of all, investing. What is it? It's simply a commitment of money or other assets in expectation of a financial gain. Okay, that's fairly simple. An investor is a person who takes an equity position in real estate for the production of income. Technically, you could invest in loans. We're not going to cover that in this class. We'll just talk about taking an equity position. Investment value is key to this course. What is investment value? Simply put, it is the present value of the equity position. It is calculated on an after-tax basis and considers the tax consequences to a specific investor. So the value that we end up with is specific for a specific property and to a specific investor. Now let's quickly look at the components that make up investment value. First, it's cash flow. That's the cash flow from the property's operations, the rent income less all the operating expenses. Then, one of the benefits of owning real estate is the tax benefits that are derived from that investment. Next, appreciation can be a huge benefit of real estate investing, and our model will include some assumptions about the property's appreciation. There is much more to follow. So what is our process? How are we going to do it? Well, this is it, and this is what we will be doing during the course. We'll start off by calculating the cash flow after debt service. So on the property level, we want to know the cash flow from the property. Next, we'll calculate the proceeds from the sale. We'll make assumptions about the property's sales price and build that into our model. We will then calculate the tax benefit. Following that, we'll prepare a ratio analysis and a sensitivity analysis. Those are key elements to understanding the investment. For the remainder of this course, we will analyze this property in Long Beach. But please note that it is not on the market and I am using it simply for demonstration purposes only. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and download the offering memorandum, and then we can get started analyzing the property.